Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the topic dishonor of bill when the bill was discounted by drawer. Already I explained you the term dishonor of a bill. Dishonor of a bill means non-payment of a bill by the drawee on the date of maturity. Okay. But this bill was dishonored by the drawee, and the same bill was discounted by the drawer with the bank also. So on the date of dishonoring of the bill, what entry to be passed? The basic general entry to be passed on the date of dishonor of the bill is debtor debit to bank. Okay, whosoever will be the debtor of the drawer, his account will be debited, and the bank from whom the bill is discounted or say encashed will become the liability of the drawer, liability or say the creditor of the drawer. And whenever the creditor or liability increases is to be shown on the credit side, and hence bank indicating the liability, the creditor of the drawer, as the bill was earlier discounted or encashed by drawer with the bank. So bank will become the liability of the drawer, and hence it will be shown on the credit side. This is the basic general entry which I will be passing on the date of dishonoring of the bill. Okay, keep in mind. Now, see the question number 13th, second part. Vimal purchased goods from Kamal worth rupees 25,000. The usual general entry which we passes for the selling of goods in the books of drawer or say in the books of seller. The same general entry will be passed here. The basic general entry to be passed is debtor debit to sales. Debtor here you can see is Vimal. Okay, so Vimal will be debited and sales will be credited. Okay, by the same amount 25,000 rupees. Date is 2016 Jan 15, and accepted a bill of exchange. Who accepted? Vimal. Drawn upon him by Kamal, payable after 2 months. After 2 months, its payment is to be made by Vimal. Just count 2 months after Jan 15. It will be Feb, March. March 15 plus 3 days of grace, March 18. March 18 is the date of maturity. Okay, keep in mind. Right. Now, on the acceptance of bill by the drawee, drawn by the drawer, what will happen? The place of debtor Vimal will be occupied by whom? Bill receivable. Okay, right. And the drawer of the bill has to receive further payment of the bill with the help of bill receivable. So bill receivable as an asset of seller Kamal is increasing, will be shown on the debit side, and its place being occupied by this bill receiver occupied the place of Vimal, the debtor. The debtor will decrease and will be shown on the credit side. Debtor itself is also an asset, and the rule of asset whenever decreases is to be shown on the credit side, and hence Vimal is being shown on the credit side. You can see it. Okay, in bracket you can see the narration explanation of the general entry. Bill's acceptance received from Vimal. Okay, now further reading out the cases. Case second is to be solved. Just see case second here. The bill was immediately discounted by Kamal with his bank at the rate of 6% per annum. Okay, this bill, because of emergent need of cash, he, that is the drawer Kamal, got the bill discounted, okay, at the rate of 6% per annum. Just you can calculate the 6% of 25,000 for 2 months time period, because before 2 months the bill was encashed. You can just calculate. I'm just also calculating it for you. See, 25,000 multiplied by 6% multiplied by 2 by 12. It will be 250. Okay, 250 is the amount of discount which the drawer Kamal has to leave with bank as the bank's commission. Okay, so it's a loss whenever increases according to rules of debit and credit are shown on the debit side, and hence discount will be shown on the debit side in the books of drawer, that is Kamal. Okay, bank showing the cash or this, or say check being received from the bank side. Okay, asset is increasing by the name of bank will be shown on the debit side. Discount loss increasing will be shown on the debit side as per the rules of debit and credit. And this bill receivable will be handed over by drawer Kamal to bank, and hence it will be credited because bill receivable, the asset is decreasing. Okay, right, because it has been handed over by drawer to the bank. Okay, now comes the date of maturity. Just we have calculated the date of maturity. It is March 18. On March 18, what will happen? The bill will be dishonored. The bill is now with the bank, and bank already made payment to Kamal. On the date of maturity, when bank will not receive the payment of the bill from the drawee, then bank will become the creditor of Kamal, the seller. Okay, and furthermore, the seller Kamal will now reach to his debtor, so called Vimal, for receiving the payment. So Vimal, the debtor, again will increase because bill receivable is now of no use because its payment was not honored by the drawee Vimal. Now the seller Kamal will again reach to Vimal for receiving the payment of the bill. Okay, right? So Vimal the debtor will increase, and bank the creditor will also increase. Debtor and asset whenever increases are shown on the debit side. So Vimal is being shown on the debit side, and bank the creditor whenever increases is shown on the credit side as per the rules of debit and credit. So Vimal has been indicated on the credit side. Okay, here by passing the journal entry only we are following the debit and credit rules of debit and credit. Okay, right? So this was the solution of question number 13, case second. The journal entries which were needed to be passed in the books of drawer that I explained you. Tomorrow I will explain you the journal entries to be passed in the books of drawee. Okay, right? Now just take the screenshot of the same and fill it up and try to solve some questions yourself also. Okay, some previous questions before 13 you try to solve yourself. Okay, so this was the solution of the question number 13, and the explanation YouTube video link will be shared by me in the class WhatsApp group. Okay, just repeatedly watch the video. Okay, and if any queries there, you can share your queries on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, have a nice day.